Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your automatic start stop button in your 2017 BMW M3. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go behind on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and once you do, all you have to do is just press on this. So when you turn on the car, the feature will be automatically on, but if you want to turn it off, just press right here. When the orange is illuminated, that means the feature is off. So basically what this feature does is, for example, you are in a intersection and you are stopped, and when you have your brakes fully depressed, what the car will do is it's going to turn off its engine, maximizing the gas mileage in this vehicle. But some people don't like that feature, so you do have an option to turn it off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.